Okay, I just stepped outside, and the Karen's dogs already just ran towards me, as if they just saw a celebrity. So let's do it. Let's see if we can hear it out here. Nice. That's good. That's good. Dang. So far, nobody has come out annoyed, but my neighbor's window is open, so he's probably awake now. Pretty sure he works night shifts, so sorry, not sorry. Also, sorry, not sorry to Clayton, because I stole this from one of his sirens that are still in service. Alright, let's do attack signal. I need the surge protector. I can't do this without it. Let's just do another alert. One across the yard. Subscribe if I should do this daily. Hey, watch when I get multiple, I'm gonna put them all on the same surge protector and make them do fast whale. I'll probably have a good amount by next New Year's, so. Someone's angry. Alright, that was pretty dope. This thing's loud.